Welcome to IDB. Everyone, my name is Andrew, and we are here with some more wireless chargers on our search to find the best wireless chargers for your new iPhones. And these two come from Tylt. They have two different options here. One is a little bit more standard, and one is a little bit fancier, I would kind of reckon. So first up is this Blade, the View Blade wireless charger. It's the little bit fancier of the two, so I'm going to save this one for last, and we'll start off with the kind of more basic wireless charger. Both of these, it is worth noting, only support 5 watts for the iPhone 10, which is definitely disappointing. The iPhone 8 and 8 Plus as well, only 5 watts of power. So hopefully in some newer models, that 7.5 will be coming out, but right now, you're limited to only 5 watts of power. If you're rocking an Android device, good, these will support up to 15 watts of power, so you will get fast charging on your Android devices. Inside of the box of the more traditional charger, you have the actual charging puck itself, a power adapter, and a USB cable. It powers itself over micro USB, so pretty standard as far as that goes, and it is nice that those are included in the box. A lot of wireless chargers do not include the power cable and the power adapter in there, so that is always nice to see. Of course, it works as you'd expected. Plug in your phone or set your phone on top, and it'll immediately start to wirelessly charge. Has a nice little subtle blue ring around the side, which if you don't like lights, it could be annoying, but that is definitely there so you know the status of your charge. And otherwise, it just looks like it has a really nice angle to it compared to a traditional stand charger. It's a nice middle ground with a good silicone grip. The fancier one, the View Blade, has a barrel charger included with it, so a little bit different, not a standard charger that you would normally see. Then of course it works just lying down, set your phone on top, and boom, you're good to go. It immediately starts charging as you'd expect, but this has a little bit more baked into it than it initially looks. The back plate, which is made out of metal, can slide off. Then there is a little groove that you kind of notice on the side there, and this will slide into that groove, creating a charging stand instead of just a charging mat or a charging pad, which gives you a better vertical angle. If you have the iPhone 10, charging stands are pretty useful because you have to use Face ID to unlock your phone. And when it's lying down, you have to awkwardly lean over the table to try to get it to recognize your face or picking up your phone. Now you notice I set my phone in here, it didn't start charging. Well, it is actually adjustable for different heights of phones, which is a really neat idea. So you can simply slide up that top a little bit, set your phone on it now, and now the charging coil and your phone have properly aligned, it'll immediately start charging like it should. There hasn't been a big difference between 5 watts and 7.5 watts of charging power, so if that's not a deal breaker, these are two pretty solid chargers that you should check out, and you can find links for both of these in the description, and make sure you check out all the other wireless chargers that we've been covering here on IDB. Let us know what you think down in the comments below and pick this up from the link in the description. Go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.